Alright, so again, we've started with fairly boring vanilla windows, and in this case we want to start adding things to them. So this time I'm adding windows with labels. And so basic program again, just created a new thing from scratch, and from tkinter import everything. Now we have to create a main window, so main equals tk. So we have a main window. We need to add in a title. So labeled will do for my title, and geometry will be 300 by, oops, I should actually add that in quotes, by 200. Done. Alright, so LBL is the shorthand for label, and I'd like the variable names to start with this at the front. So LBL, that's the variable name we're going to use, and we're going to add a label of some description. In this case, we need to add it to our main window, and then we're going to give it some text. And in this case, it's just going to be hello. Done. We'll get back and add to this, but anyhow, label one.pack, and then we run the main loop function. Testing quickly, we can see what's going on here, and we have the hello label at the top of the page there. Great, it's now working. But we want to make this fancier, so we have escape characters. So if I want to add a new line, hello 2, run that one again, and you can see one line, second line. Great, let's keep going. Now we want to make this even more interesting, so let's add a font. Now in this case, please note what I'm doing here. Font equals open brackets, and then we name the font. In this case, I'm going to go with Arial Bold, and the font size will be 20. In particular, I want you to note the fact that this is basically a sub-part of this whole defining the label. Alright, and that will do for that one. We'll see what happens this case, and we just run it again. Now it's bigger and shinier. Great. Now we need to change some colors. So BG is short for background, and that gives us a background color. Let's make it red. Excellent. Moving one step even further, we have FG, which is a foreground color. Let's make that white. And finally we hit go, and we get the final transformed piece. But what you'll notice is that the colors only apply to the section that is the label. But have an experiment with this and see how you go.